Traders, this video is related to the Forex Gold Xauusd current price prediction suggested by my AI, artificial intelligence Forex trading robot. Please watch this video until end. Very important and very helpful video related to the Forex Gold Xauusd trading ideas, trend and price prediction, and also live trading signal. So please watch this video until end.
Alright, let's analyze the final image. Picture number 9. Key observations. Time frame M30 30-minute chart as stated. Price action. The chart shows the M30 time frame from March 27th to March 28th. The price is currently at $3,071.14, consistent with the previous image. The upward trend is clearly visible. Bollinger Bands. The price is currently testing the upper Bollinger Band, which can indicate potential overbought conditions or a continuation of the trend. The Bollinger Bands are widening. That is a sign of volatility. Key price points. The chart highlights the $3,071.14 level. Connections to previous images. This image reinforces the bullish trend observed in the previous charts. It adds the Bollinger Bands indicator to our analysis. The price is still moving up. The volatility is increasing. Implications. The price testing the upper Bollinger Band suggests strong bullish momentum. However, it also indicates that the market could be overbought and a pullback is possible. The widening Bollinger Bands indicates that volatility is increasing. This could be due to news or a large influx of traders. Updated intraday trading strategy considerations. Breakout confirmation. The price has broken the resistance. Pullback entries. Look for potential pullback entries near the $3,070 level, which could now act as support. Stop loss placement. Place stop loss orders below the $3,070 level or recent swing lows. Bollinger Band analysis. Be cautious when the price is near the upper Bollinger Band and consider taking profits or tightening stop loss orders. Volatility. Due to the widening Bollinger Bands, be aware of increased volatility and adjust position sizing accordingly. Overall analysis and trading strategy. Long-term trend. The long-term trend, based on the daily charts, is strongly bullish. Short-term trend. The short-term trend, based on the H4 and H1 charts, is also bullish. Intraday trading strategy. The price has broken above the significant $3,070 resistance level, indicating potential for further upward movement. However, the RSI and Bollinger Bands suggest that the market could be overbought and a pullback is possible. Consider looking for pullback entries near the $3,070 level, which could now act as support. Use the MACD indicator to confirm potential entry and exit signals. Be aware of increased volatility and adjust position sizing accordingly. Always use appropriate risk management techniques, such as setting stop loss orders. Important note, always consider the overall market context and any potential news events that could impact the gold market. Use all indicators in combination with price action. Remember that past performance is not indicative of future results.
Thanks for watching. Please click the like button, and if you are first time on this channel, subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.